Welcome to the infrared of ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on that device. So just first to do that, we should open the settings app and tap to the sound section. Just to change ringtone volume, we should hold and swipe this volume panel to the left or to the right side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first in volume button control here, select ringtone volume, and after that by press up or down volume button we can also change ringtone volume. And you can make it by the third way, just by swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.